The way of the Tao is like preparing a bow. The top is pulled down and the bottom is raised up. If the string is too long, it is shortened, and if there is not enough, it is lengthened. The way of life reduces what is excessive and supplements what is insufficient. Its natural balance takes from those who have and gives to those who have not. However, humans sometimes take from those who have not and give to those who already have enough. Who are those who have enough and give to the world? They are people whose heart is centered in the way. They share without needing appreciation, succeed without needing acknowledgement, and live without needing to display their strength. They notice how life supplies what it needs to balance itself.